Yo, what's up? So, just finished work. Conditions are absolutely gorgeous. So, I'm gonna meet up with my buddy Ryan and we're gonna go fly some drones. Cool, let's get going.
I never knew what heaven was. This gilded love has opened up my eyes. I finally felt I was enough.
Alright everybody, here we are, me and Benj. We're about to go and get that late hour flight, if we can make the light here. It's setting quite fast, winter's approaching, damn it. But yeah, let's see what happens.
We made it.
We're at the spot. It's a little bit windy. Ryan's setting up for a pack, but it's pretty cool, yeah? He always brings me to dodgy places.
Send it or stay at home.
I never knew what heaven was. This gilded love has opened up my eyes. I finally felt I was enough when things get rough. Oh, we made it. We made it. Promise, and no matter how far we've gone, no matter, I'd leave my heart in the palm of your hands. I promise, and no matter how treasures, I'd always do it again. It's crazy, but we made it.
It's getting dark pretty early because it is May here in South Africa, where winter is in this time of year. We have Ryan over there behind us, stuck in a tree. Sun's going down quite early. It is currently 6 o'clock. Summer we would have sun for at least 2 more hours. So unfortunately we won't be doing too much flying, but at least we got some done. Some is better than none. Would you like to tell the ladies and gentlemen what happened?
So we rushed out here to grab the last light, and you know, as veteran pilots, you just think it's gonna all go right first time, and none of that seemed to go right first time, so ended up getting stuck in a tree, and yeah, now we've run out of light, and yeah, it is what it is.
Shit happens. Also some first spot jitters.
Yeah, that's
Anyway,
unfortunate.
that's how she goes. Charlie. Hello. 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 Hello, Pookie. Hello.